turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought, that's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about growing older. Done my thinking, me and you. Yeah, guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but was sinking. Lost my hue. I might come running back when our hearts get back on track. When the stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast, was moving south. Through my secret sauce, pull in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth.
I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boy, she says to me. I'm not sure I truly gave my best. Made a home but still feel like a guest. And if I've made just one mistake, it's not speaking with my chest. And maybe I'll just cry a little less. The tension, headaches always get to me. Often leave me dazed and wondering. So do you mind if we rewind? 'Cause my mind's on other things, but I'm not sure you'd find them interesting. And maybe I should practice how I feel instead of trying to reinvent the wheel. I know I overcomplicate, but simplicity's surreal. It doesn't seem to me too big a deal. I'm sorry if this all feels like a game. Maybe this whole quarantine's to blame.
Help him set it up when we get there.
Life's like a paper plane, don't steer the way. You're told no more fun, it's off to work. You need to earn it, time to have any worth, but I don't play that way. And I'm always gonna say, take us back to when we were kids. We didn't know how good we had
Hey guys, what up? Welcome to today's vlog. I've already done quite a few things as you can see, but this is going to be a fall themed vlog. I actually went to the pumpkin patch a couple of days ago, so I'm gonna show that film here. Is it a nice one? Smell it. This is the chosen pumpkin. Yeah, let's find another one. We could mark it.
Hello.
Pumpkin. This one's Brian's pumpkin. I found mine. I love it. We got pics for the gram, and now we're going to the corn maze. We've been lost in the corn for 3 days. Someone help us. I kept following Brian's directions and he got us lost in the corn. We need food, we need water, and not corn. We're lost and it's raining. Hello MTV, this is my corn. Come on, it was funny. We made it out alive. Yay. And let's get on with the video. I actually need to go to Target today to pick up a lot of like everyday items that I just ran out of all at once. A lot of like skincare stuff. So had a good workout, just showered and got dressed. This is the fit. Can't really see it, but it's pretty simple. Hey guys, I just got back from Target, so I thought I'd show you what I got. Most of this is like skincare stuff. It's not really fall themed, except for this candle. It's called Welcome Fall. It's warm cider and cinnamon. It smells really, really good. So I'm gonna light that soon. I got some shampoo and conditioner. I've used this one before. It's the Bedhead Moisture Maniac, and I like it a lot. Just needed some more. So a lot of this stuff you've probably seen before, but I just happened to run out of everything all at once, which is great. I got some more mouthwash. This is the TheraBreath mouthwash in Invigorating Ice Mint. I'm trying out this body wash. Actually, I think I've used this before, but it's the Wind Down by Method. I really like the smell. It smells like kind of manly a little bit. I don't know, but it's blue lavender, chamomile, and star flower. So whatever that means to you. And then I got, I guess, just a 2-pack of the 3-Minute Moisture Curls Deep Conditioner. This will last a long time. It was like 2 for $5. So just got that. This is like a leave-in conditioner basically. And then I got my face wash, which is the La Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, which is really good. And I got the Double Repair Face Moisturizer by the same brand. So all of this was like $105. Thanks, inflation.
When I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16, wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never, I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never.
All right, guys, we are having a productive day so far. The candle, it smells so good. I just cleaned both bathrooms and I don't even know what to do next. Like, I'm trying to clean a lot in this video because it's supposed to be like a productive fall vlog, but I'm kind of like out of stuff to clean. Made a quick outfit change to be a little more cozy. I don't think I mentioned this yet too, but we're also gonna carve pumpkins. So we're very on theme today with pumpkin bread, carving pumpkins, going to the pumpkin patch, which you saw the footage for in this video. And yeah, life is good. Life is good. The fall vibes are immaculate. We're carving pumpkins. Brian started dinner, so that was really nice. Oh crap! Oh. We just carved pumpkins. Brian's still carving his. I'm waiting for dinner, and I just cleaned up my mess that I spilt. And I have all of the stuff out to make pumpkin bread, but here's the thing, I was gonna make it and then I got really comfy on the couch, so we might make it later. Dinner.
Field mouse, Mom. I don't care how big it is, it's still a rodent. Let's just change the subject, shall we? You should set a trap.
Did you see the TV guy had this on the bar?
3, 2, 1. Arguing